Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've made any videos. It's just that kind of year. Need to do some oil change, so gotta do all three of my cars. Got a day off today. Weather is not bad, it's about 17 degrees Celsius here. It's almost midwinter, but it's a nice fine day, so I decided to do it. So here I've already prepped the car up. Took the hoses out, which will be in the way for the filter. I've got I took the some guard off as well underneath. Just want to talk about Ryco brand oil filters. Air cleaners are pretty common here in New Zealand, and you can get a service kit which includes your fuel filter, oil filter, air filter in it, which is it's a cheaper way to buy the whole kit than buying individually. So without further ado, let's get into it. I had to put some oil on the seal, because otherwise it will get hardened up and it's going to be really hard next time to take it off. Probably needs to be hand tight, but I'll always give it a little bit more. That should be it. Just to clean the area up. Okay, so oil filters in. I'll put the sump plug back in, and I've cleaned the excess whatever oil was dripping. I normally use brake cleaner, because I've realized over the years using degreaser, it leaves like a layer on, so it burns off after a while once the engine's running, but you can smell it like in cab as well. So brake cleaner is pretty good. It cleans off easily all the oil residues, and there's no leftover residue. So yeah, so time to fill it up. Got some leftovers from last time when I did the service, so I'm going to use that first. So oil I'm running is Castrol Edge 5W30, and according to the owner's manual, this one is A3B3 recommended, so it works with this model. So I've got it up to the fill mark. I'll leave it there, start the vehicle up, check for any leaks, because the vehicle is a bit on an incline, so I'll back it off, check for any leaks, and then yeah, if there's no leaks, we are done here. So everything's in. I'll put the airbox back in, filters there. Just give it a start. For a few more minutes and then I'll put everything back together. I've already done the fuel filter about 2 months ago, so I'm not going to change that, but I'll probably put a new air filter. I'll have a look what condition it is. Alright, there goes the new air filter as well. So I think the job went pretty well. It took me about just around 40 minutes to do it. New oil, new air filter, fuel filter was pretty new. I'll probably wait for another couple of months until I do it. And then yeah, I've used about just above 6 liters of oil, so should be good for another 8 to 10,000 k's. Factory recommends I can go up to 15,000, but I've always done between 8 and 10,000 k's. Yeah, so that should be it. I just have to clean the engine bay. It's pretty dusty here, but overall, yeah, I should be good for another couple of months. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.